What is environmental monitoring? Have you ever wondered how parks and campgrounds keep track of the health of their natural surroundings? Environmental monitoring is the answer. This practice involves systematically observing and recording the condition of natural systems like air, water, soil, plants, and wildlife. The goal is to detect changes over time and guide conservation efforts effectively. In parks, environmental monitoring plays a vital role in balancing human recreation with the preservation of habitats. One of the core components of this process is species and ecosystem inventories. Parks catalog living organisms, from towering trees to small mammals, and map out ecosystems such as wetlands and forests. This creates a baseline that helps park managers track population shifts or habitat loss. Long-term tracking is another essential aspect. Regular measurements of air quality, water purity, soil health, and wildlife behavior help identify trends. For instance, if pollinator numbers decline or invasive species spread, this data can prompt immediate action to protect native wildlife. Impact assessment is crucial too. Monitoring evaluates how human activities, such as campground development or trail use, affect surrounding ecosystems. For example, soil compaction near high-traffic areas can harm plant roots and alter how water is absorbed. Understanding these impacts helps park managers make informed decisions. Practical applications of environmental monitoring in parks include wildlife management. By tracking animal populations, parks can ensure that species like bears or migratory birds have enough food sources and breeding grounds. This reduces conflicts between humans and wildlife. Visitor education is another benefit. Data on sensitive habitats informs signage or guided tours. Campers learn to avoid disturbing nesting sites or rare plants, promoting a respectful interaction with nature. Restoration projects also relying on monitoring. It helps identify degraded areas, such as eroded trails or polluted streams, allowing parks to prioritize where to replanting native vegetation or restrict access. Various methods are used in environmental monitoring. Sensor networks with automated devices measure air pollutants or water temperature in real time. This alerts park staff to sudden changes that may need attention. Field surveys are conducted by biologists who carry out wildlife counts, vegetation plots, or soil sampling to assess ecosystem health. Community science is another valuable tool. Park visitors can report sightings of specific species or environmental changes, expanding data collection and engaging the public in conservation efforts. Effective monitoring requires a delicate balance. It is important to minimize human interference while gathering enough data to make informed decisions. For instance, motion-activated cameras can reduce the need for intrusive wildlife tagging. Designated camping zones help concentrate foot traffic, protecting fragile ecosystems. By integrating these strategies, parks can preserve biodiversity while allowing for sustainable public enjoyment. Environmental monitoring is essential for ensuring that our natural spaces remain as healthy and vibrant for future generations.